has a very wide impact on desalination. The most fundamental way to describe that impact is we produce more water for a given size plant. There's a huge capex reduction, a large OPEX reduction, so it makes RO more sustainable. We simply have less impact on the environment for a given amount of permeate production.
Es la alta recuperación, ahorro de energía, fácil de operar, la recuperación de la inversión es muy rápida. Son algunas de las ventajas.
What we're doing today is showing that the biturbo is suitable for every size of RO plant, from small systems for hotels to mega-scale plants. So we have strong reason to believe that the biturbo will become essentially a standard option for all seawater RO plants in the future. The biturbo has many applications, so the future will be broad and I think very, very profound in the industry. The biturbo makes ZLD more efficient. It reduces environmental impact of seawater or any kind of desalination involving membranes. It reduces consumables, it reduces plant footprint, which is very important for mega-scale facilities, reduces the overall facility size, the consumables, so it has a positive impact from the building of the plant all the way to the end of life of the plant. We just make RO less impactful on the environment and we make it more economical. We help protect the ecology because we use less feed water, and it's just it checks all the boxes of what you want an RO system to be.
Ha sido una experiencia extraordinaria. Ellos tenían 2 plantas anteriormente, llegó la biturbo y las otras plantas se pararon. Esta está demostrado que hay un tremendo ahorro de energía, sobre todo en México, que tenemos tarifas muy altas. Y bueno, el cliente está encantado con la biturbo, ¿sí? De hecho, están pensando ya en sustituir los equipos que tienen por pura biturbo. El futuro de la biturbo en México promete mucho negocio, sobre todo en la parte de la Baja California, donde ahí no hay muchas opciones de agua, es agua de mar, ¿sí? Entonces ahí tenemos planes con FEDCO para seguir desarrollando esa tecnología, seguirla mejorando, y a lo que todo el mundo vamos es ahorro de agua y ahorro de energía.
It's been many years. First thought about this technology probably 10 years ago. Basically, we're waiting for membrane performance to be where it needs to be, and it has achieved the level needed for the biturbo, especially for ZLD applications, high pressure applications. But for more general desalination applications, this is simply the realization that the same design parameters used for brackish water systems can be applied to seawater systems, which means 2-stage systems with interstage pressure boosting. So we can obtain higher recovery, yet the membranes operate at a more, let's say, comfortable condition. Our beta factors are low, our flex rates are balanced, we minimize fouling, so we can obtain higher recovery, and yet we have better membrane performance in a standard seawater system at lower recovery. So with that in mind, we knew that we had something. And with using turbocharger technology, we can produce the necessary interstage boost with absolute peak efficiency and minimal equipment and maximum reliability. So when we marry together the membrane technology and the turbocharger technology into a 2-stage RO system, we believe we have really the optimal method of desalination for seawater, and of course for higher pressure applications such as ZLD.